What's up, guys? So this is going to be my 2-weekend review on TRT, testosterone replacement therapy. First of all, I'm going to tell you what I'm taking. I am on 200 milligram per bottle of testosterone cypionate. I take 40 cc's subcutaneously in my belly twice a week. I also take enclomiphene citrate, which helps to guarantee the continued function of my normal testicular function. It is an estrogen blocker. Okay. Prior to starting my testosterone replacement therapy, I had a testosterone rating of around 320 nanograms per deciliter, which is at the lower end of healthy. So you want to be somewhere between 300 and around 1100. Okay, so I was at 320, so I was at the bottom end of healthy. But I'm 45 now, and I wanted to just see what I could do to increase my health. I understand that testosterone helps you heal, gives you mental clarity, helps you sleep. There's muscle, obviously, lean muscle mass. So anyway, prior to doing this, I had all of my blood work done. And in addition to the testosterone ratings, I also got everything, hemoglobin, cholesterol, you name it, right? Well, all of my stuff was in the green prior to TRT. Now I'm at a little over 1100 on my testosterone, so that's doing very good. But my LDL cholesterol is slightly high. It's maybe, I think it's like 5% higher than what you'd want it to be. And my sugar ratings are just slightly high, which they've never been in my life. So I think there is a chance that taking the testosterone has had somewhat of an effect on my body's insulin resistance, my ability to metabolize sugar, and it may have had an effect on my body's ability to break down fats, right? So far it's a little early to tell. Like I say, I'm only 2 weeks in, but this is the first time I've had high LDL cholesterol and the first time that I've ever had high sugars. And anyway, so that's that. As far as the TRT's effect on my other stuff, my mood hasn't changed. I've always been kind of a happy-go-lucky guy. I haven't felt any grumpier than normal. As far as acne, I have not seen any increase in acne, chest, back, or otherwise. As far as sex drive, I've seen no change in that either. And as far as lean muscle mass, fat, stuff like that, I am down 6 pounds from only 2 weeks ago. Now, I weigh myself at the same time every single day. I'm pretty scientific about that. But there is a chance that it's not the testosterone, and I'll tell you why. I eat on a 5-hour window. I've done this for years, and I'll have months where my weight is up 15 pounds, down 15 pounds. I'm just not a huge eater. So I'm not sure if the weight loss had more to do with just my eating habits than the TRT, but I will post a follow-up video at the 1 month mark and then the 2, 3, 4. So if you want to follow up and get more details on my scientific findings, just either subscribe or just click my username below and you should be able to find the other videos through my channel. At some point, when I get enough of these TRT follow-ups, I will create a playlist so that you can watch each of the month marks easily to see how TRT has affected me over the course of a full year. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a question below, and I will do my best to answer your questions. Have a great day, guys.